Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel, and we're doing a little haul here. So this is part two of my haul. So let's just get right into it. So this is Fairy Tales. This is a vintage book. Let's take a look. Gosh, I should have gotten my Roman numerals. I'm so bad at that, my Roman numerals. But this book is a large print, and it has really cool stories in it. A little bit of light coloring for the images. The pages are all naturally colored. Yeah, and it's large print. Love this book. As soon as I saw it, I grabbed it, and it was 99 cents because it's a children's book. Yeah, I got them at Goodwill. This was a Goodwill one. So love it. This was so cool. Yes, it was wonderful. So I believe this is 1950, if I have my Roman numerals right. So yeah, this was a great book. All fairy tales. Love this. I will use this as a journal because it's great. I love it. And it's in great shape. Look at that. There's a fairy there and the mushroom. So that was a great find. Again, 99 cents. Okay. Okay, you know me. I love my Christmas books. And like I said, I always get large ones. So the Treasury of Christmas. It's really neat. I don't think this is that old, but 92, so you know, it's got some age to it a little bit. So look at these. I love these. These are all poems, and I love Christmas ones that are poems because they're great, you know, to add into the journals. Because it's not always a story, because one page is the entire story, you know, because it's a poem. Where if you dissect, you know, your children's books, you know, you're just taking a part of a story. So these, I really, I'm drawn to these because you get a lot of the information or the little whole story or the, you know, the inspirational or message or the poem is all, you know, like here's one here, you know. So this is a poem. Everything is on this little page, and you can put it in a journal. So you've got the whole thing. Look at this little crafting thing here. Oh, look at that huge page of the little girls' faces and that beautiful little rosy cheeks. It's cute. So again, I love the big Christmas books. Definitely don't pass them up. And I always check to see, like I said in my other video, always check to see, especially if it's a book that has signatures, because you can take the entire page out. So love it. That was a $10 book at that time. Okay, next is I'm not sure why I bought this. I was drawn to it because one, it was new. Two, I like the red and white and the country look of this. So this is a whole set. It's all in plastic, yet I have not opened it. It's all sealed. But it's got this big pad of, you know, shopping list paper that's in here. And then there's some big die cuts in here. And then on this side, it's a big clear page. And then, well, there's two of them actually. And then there's all of your pages in the book. I mean, that's a huge page to write a recipe on, which is great. I mean, there's just, it's full of pages. There's your cooking with herbs and, you know, informational pages. And then in the back, towards the back, is all of these tabs. So these are all tabbed pages, and look at that. They're all a folder. So my idea was, I think I will make a, you know, a country style or retro themed cookbook. I don't know if you've seen my other videos, but I do have a big retro cookbook that I did for myself. So this is really good size, and I love it. It's brand new, so I might make this into a journal, or you know what? Maybe I'll do a giveaway, and I will give this to somebody, one of my subscribers. So I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I'm so tickled because when I started out, I didn't know that I would even have any. So I thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and it's just humbling that people leave me comments and that they like my tutorials and my videos. So I mean, it's very nice. I appreciate everyone, and I love it so much. So thank you. So yeah, maybe when I reach my 100 subscribers, which is I'm pretty close, so maybe I'll do a giveaway, and I'll do that or figure out how to do one. Okay, so this next book is The House at Pooh Corner. This is pretty old. It's kind of falling apart, but it's okay. Let's see if I can see a date on here. $1928. Nope, sorry. You have to look at all the printings. 1950. So this is 1950. Looks like I had a dust cover on it, so that's all that's left of it. But love the little, the little sketches, like illustrations. So I just thought this was a cool book. This could be turned into a good junk journal too. So I love that. So this was really neat. Yeah, so I'm going to rescue this. I love the cover. So, all right. This book isn't, I have men type books, so I'm looking at my library right now, and I have Popular Mechanics, I have Home Handyman, I have lots of men's, like a machinery book. So I do have that masculine books, but this one, it feels really good in your hands. And the cover is a really neat feeling. I don't know how to describe it. It's really tight, all intact. It's a farm mechanics text and handbook. I just love the look and the feel of it and the texture. That's not the only thing. And see, this is Veterans Farm Training. So this was really intriguing. My husband is a veteran. So this was really interesting just as a book itself. Looking to see. Yeah, 6th printing, 1949. The pages are kind of a silky, thick page. Again, it's hard to describe the feeling, but the book is really neat. There's lots of illustrations, lots of vintage pictures. I use these types. Look at these. Shows images of repairing things. There's graphs and illustrations and photos. Just a great book, all in all. Look at that, one of those old hand pumps. That is really neat. Yeah, this was just a fascinating book, just to look at as well as what I can do with it. I like putting these types of things and images and pages, these types of book pages into my journals, because it's just very interesting to look at. I feel a lot of people like seeing these things too. So, I mean, not everything is all lace and butterflies and mushrooms. People do like to look at interesting things. I guess more or less in my age group, because I'm over 50, people, you know, you have a good feeling of when you look at things how they used to be, or used to be when your parents were alive. It's just intriguing to people. So that's what drawed me to this book. And look at, we had horses when I was little, and look at, here's how you, diagram of how you set up your horse gear, how to make knots. Yeah, so I just love this book. It's just neat. And like I said, it's just cool. I love the old gold color writing, and it's a really thick book. So, yep, can't wait to do something with that. Okay, now, these were all in a bundle. Is it? No, yeah. These were all in a bundle. I believe I paid $4.99 at a thrift store for these. So these are huge stamps. So they are 5 by 6 stamps. So here's a beautiful lace doily. Here is like a tapestry image. Here is a floral image. And then there were a couple letters in there, a C and a U. I'm not sure what I'll do with these. I definitely will use these, but I'm not sure. Like if there's for instance, like a little golden book called Cats, I would, you know, stamp some of these in there, or something like that. So I will use it in that sense. But these were the main 3 that I liked with these. So that is, I think, the end of my haul. Yes, that was it. So hope you enjoy my haul videos. I haven't had one in a while, and so I just wanted to share with you some of my few finds. These weren't all in one shopping trip. These were several different stop by and run in and see if anything's new. So these are all the things that I've gathered in my shopping adventures in the last few weeks. Actually maybe the month or 2. So I'm pretty well stocked on stuff, so I typically don't just, you know, go buy a whole bunch of stuff that I'm not going to use. But I am doing my baby book for my daughter, so I was looking for a lot of things for her. So anyways, if you're liking my videos, please subscribe and share if you would like. And if there's something that you would want to see, just let me know. And like I said, watch for maybe a subscriber video soon. So I'll do a giveaway. All right, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.